In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create desktop shortcuts for Steam games. If you love quick access to your favorite titles, a desktop shortcut is the fastest way to jump straight into a game without digging through menus. This process is built into Steam, it's safe, and it takes just a few seconds. Before we start, make sure Steam is open and you're signed in, and that the game you want is already in your library, whether it's installed or just added to your account. First, open Steam and go to your library. You'll find library in the top menu of the Steam window. Clicking, it brings up your complete list of games down the left side, along with details in the main panel. If you have a lot of titles, you can use the search box to quickly find the one you want. This view is where Steam lets you manage everything about your games, and it's exactly where the shortcut option lives. Next, find the game you want and right-click it. This opens a context menu with all the useful controls for that title. On a mouse, that's a right click. On a trackpad, use a two-finger click or whatever you've set as your secondary click. You don't need to open the game or change any settings. Just right-click the game's name in the list. You'll see options like Play, Properties, and more. Now, hover your cursor over Manage, then click. Add Desktop Shortcut. Manage is a small submenu in that right-click list. When you point to it, it expands to show additional tools. Choose Add Desktop Shortcut, and Steam instantly places a game shortcut on your desktop. You'll usually see the game's icon and title, and double-clicking it will launch Steam and start the game. That's it. The shortcut is ready to use. If your desktop is busy, take a moment to look for the new icon near the top left corner or wherever new items usually appear on your system. A couple of quick tips to make this even smoother. If you don't see the shortcut right away, refresh your desktop or check that desktop icons are set to be visible. You can rename the shortcut later to keep things tidy, and you're free to move it into a games folder on your desktop if you prefer a cleaner layout. If you ever change your mind, deleting the shortcut won't uninstall the game. It simply removes the link. And that's the whole process. Open Library, right-click the game, go to Manage, and choose Add Desktop Shortcut. Repeat it for as many games as you like, and enjoy launching straight from your desktop. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.